In this video, I will demonstrate how to download modeled hourly load data for SAM's residential financial model when you don't have access to measured load data. I'm using the PV Watts residential configuration to demonstrate this, but this will work for any configuration based on the residential financial model that has a download option. So we'll go to the electric load page and note this download button toward the bottom of the page. What this will do is download a pre-prepared load data file that was generated using a building energy model for a set of locations in the United States. And so it'll use the location that's on the location and resource page. It takes the latitude and longitude from the location and resource page and identifies the file in this database that is with load data that is closest to the location you're trying to model. So the process is simple. You just click Download Electric Load Data and then choose whether it's a residential or a commercial building. In this case, we're looking at a residential building, so I'll choose Residential Load Data. And then it asks to choose the building type. For the residential, there's base, high, and low. So base is sort of a standard building, a standard residential building. High is a high use energy use building, and low is a low energy use building. So I'll choose the base option, and then it downloads the weather data from this OpenEI database. Click OK. And a couple of things happen here. One is that this notes page is populated with information about the file that was downloaded, and the data itself was downloaded, so you can click View Data to see the time series data that was downloaded. So you can get a sense of the seasonal shape of the load, and then you can zoom in to look at the daily load shape. And then you have the monthly totals here, both in kilowatt hours, so the monthly total kilowatt hour, and then the peak kilowatt for each month. Now, sometimes it's useful to be able to scale this load data to match monthly totals from historical data for a particular building. So if you have monthly usage data from electricity bills, you can use this Scale Electric Load Profile to Monthly Usage option. So check that button and click Edit Values, and then you can type in the monthly usage data that you have, and then SAM automatically scales this time series data to these values. So if I click OK now these total energy usage numbers match the values that I entered. And if we click View Load Data, we can see the original data in blue and the scaled data in orange. Then you can click Simulate and explore the results.